So this is Capstone Video Journal 8. And where we're at right now is I've wanted to really go up to film the Richard Childress Museum. And in order to do that, we had to get the okay from Danny Chocolate Myers. In order to get the okay, we had to go through Chip Lane. And, of course, towards the end of the semester, everyone gets busy. And I know Chocolate has been doing a lot of NASCAR stuff, so he hasn't been around. So we can never get everything figured out how we could get up to the museum to shoot. So that would have been great to put in the video, but that's not going to be included. And also, from the last time we went up to the transportation center, there hasn't been a whole ton of work done with the car. So pretty much where we're at now is we're just going to go ahead on with the video with the footage we have and complete the video that way. It's a bit of a bummer, but printer's going. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. Okay. So yeah, basically what footage we have, what shots, what audio, everything. We're just gonna go ahead and roll on with the documentary and do what we can. So that's it.